Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I have something new for y'all. It's not brand new, it's been out for a little while now, but I finally picked up the Detangling Nectar from Pattern Beauty and we're gonna try it out today. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this, pray for a reversion, collect my thoughts, and then come back and try this out. And I think I'm gonna try it for a wash and go. I'm gonna see what I can pair it with and we'll get into today's video.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying.
Alright, so my hair honestly feels like it is about 90% dry at this time. So I actually have my 360 spray bottle easily accessible so I can dampen my hair. This is what it looks like. It has a slimy consistency to it and it smells just like the Pattern treatment mask. So I am going to dampen my hair. The suggested use says that you can apply to wet or dry hair. Evenly section hair before distributing the formula. Apply product on each section from roots to ends. Detangle hair from ends to roots with Pattern wide tooth comb or Pattern shower brush. Pro tip, spray each section with a hydrating mist before applying the Detangling Nectar for enhanced slip. And y'all, do you see how I am struggling with this first section? So I wet the hair. I felt like I went in with one pump and it felt like it was a gracious plenty. I really don't want to overdo it with this product. And before I even attempt to detangle, I am spraying my hair over again because, you know, I'm trying to enhance the slip. And honestly, like, this first section has me feeling like I've wasted $25 at this point. So this says that it is formulated for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your strands want ease and definition. Our Detangling Nectar glazes curls to ease combing through knots and coils seeking their independence. Okay, strong independent coil. This slippy formula is crafted from sea moss, aloe vera, and grapeseed oil to leave hair with shine and hydration. Prepare strands for smooth, defined curls, keeping your texture juicy and joyful. And I also just want to add that the second ingredient is glycerin, because, you know, I know some of y'all don't fool with glycerin like that. I don't even know how I feel about glycerin at this point, but after I twist my hair up, because I don't know if I want to go in with the I Create Hold on soaking wet hair, so I just decided to twist it up. But as I continue throughout my head, the process does get a little easier. As you can see, like my detangling brush is starting to actually glide through my strands. Now, once I got to the front sections, that's where I tend to have a lot of webbing. I have a lot of knots. I went in with just a smidge more of the Detangling Nectar, and I really made sure my hair was soaking wet. I used smaller sections just because it is a very fragile area and I'm not trying to break my hair off. So honestly, I really like the way that it feels. I'm not too sure how I feel about the fact that it kind of feels like it's foaming. So I don't know what type of coating that is actually leaving on my hair. Okay, so the Detangling Nectar has been fully applied and I am going to go in with the I Create Hold. Y'all, I'm so nervous just because of the foam. So I feel like my hair might have a little film. I tried to do the patch test to see like how they would like marry together, and it gave me an interesting consistency. So I'm just going to play a little music while I apply this to each section. I might sit under a hooded dryer or I might just blow dry my hair. I'm a little hungry, but either way, enjoy, keep your fingers crossed, wish me luck, and pray that this comes out okay. Okay.
Yeah. One step down.
Okay, and this is what my hair looks like right now. I just finished applying the products. I'm trying to figure out how I want my hair to go and whatnot. But so the issue that I think I'm gonna have is like this. Do you see it? It's like white right here, and I think it's because the front, of course, wasn't as dry as the back. I don't think I had this formulation issue with the back of my hair, but I definitely noticed it once I got to this part. So I'm interested to see how it's gonna dry. Hopefully it dries clear. I also look at the shrinkage. The shrinkage is sending me right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and I'm going to blow dry my hair, come back, let y'all see it, and then tomorrow or maybe in a few days I will come back and wrap this video up. Okay, so real quick, this is what my hair looks like. I decided not to like blow dry it all the way. I hate it. It's just a little too soft for me right now. Yeah, I wish it had a little more crunch hold to it, but we'll see after it fully dries and after I stretch it out. I might go over it with some more I Create Hold. I don't really know, but this is it. No flakes. That is actually a part of my towel, but it did dry clear. So yeah, I'll come back in a couple days. Now let's wrap this video up. I will not be using these two together for a wash and go combo. It ended up flaking on me, and I think that, I don't know, I Create Hold you have to use with certain products is what I'm learning. So it's no for a combo, but this Detangling Nectar I really did enjoy. I think from now on when I use it, I will use it in the shower on soaking wet hair. I feel like my hair was much easier to detangle when I had more water. It created more slip. I don't think I would try it on my dry hair. I don't think I would use it as a pre-poo. For me, it sounds like a waste of product, but to each their own. But as someone who hates the detangling process, I can see myself using this as a leave-in that I apply in the shower, which is usually how I like to apply my leave-ins 90% of the time. So do I think it's worth it? It's a little pricey, but you can catch some deals and things sometimes, but a little does go a long way. So this will actually last me a while. So for me, in my hair and pockets, I think it was a good investment. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried the Detangling Nectar and how you felt about it. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys really soon.